I'm your host today, Gladys. Welcome back to Beauty and Food. And after trying different foods from different countries, so you must miss local cuisine, right? So we are going to try some Johoran cuisine today, which is Segamat Rel. Let's go! In front of me now is Nasi Ambang, Johor laksa, syrup bandung, and also Johor coffee. So let's start trying with the Nasi Ambang. There's crackles, londe, perkedel, rempeyek, fried noodles, paru, and some sambal belacan, and also some curry inside this. So let's try. The curry tastes good. It has a very rich smell of curry, but it's not really spicy. And this one, as it is with rice. This one tastes like beans that you are eating, but it's not spicy, it's a bit sour and sweet. And this one is the paru. It tastes like fried tofu actually. Let me try the Johor laksa. So first I have to pour the fish curry laksa. Wow, this looks delicious, and the sauce is full of fish, and I can see it. Let's mix it around first. So if you like to eat more spicy taste, you can add the sambal belacan. So I take a bit because I cannot eat too spicy. So this is well mixed. So let's try. The highlight is the sauce, you know. This is the fish curry sauce, and it's very rich. The smell is very rich. The taste also is very rich, and it brings a bit of sour taste, but with some curry. It's not like asam laksa. This is quite good, and you can open up your appetite. So let's try their syrup bandung. Their syrup bandung is quite refreshing because it tastes like soft drink, but it doesn't give you very gassy taste, but it's really refreshing. I'm not a person that like coffee, but I don't know how it tastes like, so let's try. This tastes very good. If you ever eat those coffee candy before, this coffee tastes like that one. It's with very rich milky taste and mixed with some local Johor beans, coffee beans. Hey, thanks for watching with Beauty and Food. I'm your host today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye bye.